If you are wondering how the materiality scores in the Materiality Master are being calculated, this is the video for you. If you are within your assessment and enter any of the IROs that you have created, you see at the top an indication if the IRO is material or not material. And you also see a score. And the scores are depending on the type of IRO. For example, if you have an IRO as in the financial materiality element or classification, then there are different aspects calculated than, for example, an IRO that is a positive impact. So how is the calculation being done? First of all, I would like to show you the logic and the methodology of how this is done. In this graphic, you can see the basic logic in the end. So if you have a negative impact, in this case, a negative actual impact, what is being calculated is a scale plus the scope plus the irreversibility. If it's a negative potential impact, you have this sum, which is being multiplied by the probability factor. If you have a positive impact, you calculate, and the positive actual impact, it's scale and scope. You're not adding irreversibility because you don't want to change anything that is good happening into the back again. So that's why you only have scale and scope. If it's a positive potential impact, you take scale, scope, and multiply the sum with the probability. In the financial materiality, it's a bit simpler. So you have the financial impact, the scale, times the probability. And there it doesn't matter if it's a positive or a chance or an opportunity or a risk, it's always the same. And for each of these elements, for example, scale, scope, reversibility, you have a scoring factor in the end behind what you enter here. So in the scale, you see none is 0, it's rated 0, very low is rated it's a 1, low is a 2, medium is a 3, high is a 4, and very high is a 5. And same with the probability, you have basically here unlikely, rather likely, probable, very likely, and we have a likelihood score linked to it to come to a calculation. So this is the basic. You can always see the calculation here. So in this case, we have chosen the medium. Medium is a 3. You can see that here. The scale is a 3. Then you have the 0.85. The probability score for probable is 0.85. You can see that as well. And in the end, we divide each score with the maximum score to level it that in the end, it's always the same rating from a 0 to 5 for financial materiality score and for an impact score. So that's why we level it. We divide it by the maximum number of possible points and then multiply it by 5 to always get to a rating from 0 to 5. This is the whole logic behind our scaling. You can always see it here, like what is in the end the score. And this score in the end defines if this IRO will become material or not based on the thresholds that you have set. We also have a video for that. I hope this is clear and makes sense. And there's some more information about the score and the mapping in this article of this help center.